let's take a look at the 2 best tips for Tableau that I've learned as a beginner. And these help me out tremendously, guys, so you need to listen in. First off is control drag. And I mean, this is huge. You hold down control on your keyboard, you start dragging stuff. So for instance, you drag this. So I'm going to show you real quick how this is going to work. Control drag is going to allow you to make color really quick and do things. Control into color. Then you can drag this and control into size. Control into label. And just like keep going and see all the stuff you can do with control. It even gets any crazier when you like change it to a square or something. But just know control drag does a lot and allows you to really get into your data and really start like creating some cool things. Maybe you want your products to have certain things. But if you get it on your board up here, let's say you have zip codes up here or something, you have it on your board, you can control drag color, control drag stuff, and that allows your data just to start forming. And it may not be perfect. You may have some mess ups there. You can always go like to show me and click it back over here. But let's say you want to just have your postcodes right here in color. You go to color, and then you have that. Then maybe you want to do a label, and then you have your postcodes in color, which means absolutely nothing. So maybe you want to do that with quantity. Throw quantity in there, and then you want to get rid of those postcodes. So, but maybe we want like quantity. What's the amount, right? So we go over here, and then we can throw that into color and all this other stuff. But you got to hold control down. That's really the tip here, is make sure you're holding control down or it will disappear. So, and that's going to give you like different things or different charts, different labels, and things like that. So as you just play around with that and see what you guys get. But here, like we want to label it, control, color, it's going to give you a label for some of those. Or maybe you want to know like different labels for regions and different things. Well, control color will do that for you. So it's a very helpful thing. Hold down control button and drag or drop your fields and dimensions and little marks tabs right here. I want to show you the other thing that I also has been really helpful for me in Tableau, and it's really been a game changer. It's the right click drag. When you right click, you get an option no matter what. If you right click, you get a couple options, but you can see, oh, is it the max country? Is it the count of countries? Like, what are you trying to measure here? So you can kind of figure out really quickly and make a really cool chart like this. Maybe you want to like use your control drag. So you control it over, you can label those, or control size, just to figure out things that work. But then maybe you want to right click city. At least you get some options here for cities. You see like city, do you want the count of cities? Okay, now you get a count of cities over here with a cool chart. But you can see where this can go pretty crazy, where you're starting to like drag stuff. So using the control here, maybe you want to know what the sum is. Control, color. And it kind of colors those and shows you things that you can do. Maybe you want to go over here and change the colors. I don't know. But those are just the little things that you can do with the controls that are going to help you just like take it to the next level with your charts and stuff very quickly. Control drag, and then especially right click on things like quantity or a measure. It's going to give you a lot of options. Maybe if you right click on a dimension, it won't give you as many options. It's just going to give you the count. But when you right click on a measure, which is below the line, it's giving you a ton of additional things that you can do to add in there. That's just kind of like cool. And maybe you want to flip that chart right here. You can see it in a little chart. So I think that's the thing. Control drag, and also holding on that control button and then right clicking your rows and letting go on the row does wonders. As like, you can just break the data down in so many different ways. That's my 2 best tips for beginners, because it really opens up a lot of doors in Tableau that you don't really know. And it took me forever to figure this out. So I wanted to share with you guys so it can help you, because it is such a pain sometimes when you don't know those little tricks. And those are the 2 best tricks I've learned in Tableau so far. So I'm hoping to learn some more. So make sure you check out this channel for more videos. Tons of videos on Tableau on this channel. I think you guys will like it.